Good morning and Jai Hind. Students, I am Nutan Gupta. In last video we have discussed about metals. Now in this video we will discuss sources of energy. Chapter of Age of Machines. So first we read. Coal was the first fuel used in steam engine to produce steam. Coal is obtained from mines and is still an important source of energy. Large amount of coal are used in power plant to produce electricity. Okay. So the coal was the first fuel in steam engine for produce the steam. As you know that steam engine was invented by the James Watt. Then next fuel which is used as sources of energy and it obtained from the coal from the mines. Coal we are especially used for produce electricity. In this we use coal is a large amount. Now next, coal is formed in the nature from dead trees, but it takes millions of the year to form. Therefore, the amount of the coal on the earth is limited. Experts feel it would last for only about 250 years. So, coal is formed in the nature from the dead trees. Dead trees means suppose flood occurs somewhere or natural disaster came on the earth or many of the dead trees are mixed in the earth. So, after millions years when they melt in with the earth to take the millions year of the to form the form. So therefore coal is limited on the earth. Expert says that it would last for only about 250 years. Now next, petroleum is another source of energy found deep inside the earth. We get fuels such as petrol, kerosene and the diesel from it. Engine running on the petrol and the diesel were found to be more efficient than steam engine. They replaced a steam engine in the automobiles and machines. However, like coal, the amount of the petroleum on the earth is also limited. It may get exhausted in about 100 years. Now, next sources of energy is petroleum. This also we found deep inside the earth. From the petroleum, we get different type of fuel such as petrol, kerosene, diesel. Now they found petrol and diesel more efficient to run engine than steam engine. So they replace all the steam engine in automobile and machines. However, coal petroleum is also limited and it would be last in about 100 years. Now you can see in this picture how can be found in the coal from the mines. Now today electricity is used to run machine in several factories. About 200 years ago, Alessandro Volta became the first person to make the small battery which could produce an electric current in the wire. Later generators were made to produce electricity. Okay. Now today all the factories run their machines in by electricity. About 200 years ago, Alexandra Volta became the first person to make the small battery which produced electric current in a wire. After some time, generators were made by the electricity. Okay, now read the paragraph. Fuels such as coal, diesel, petrol or natural gas are used to run the generators. Today, the forces of flowing water or rivers is also used to generate electricity. This is called hydroelectricity. Dams are built across river to produce hydroelectricity. Okay. Fuels such as coal, diesel, petrol, or natural gas would be used to run generators. Now today, the force of the flowing water or rivers is also used to generate electricity. So this is called hydroelectricity. So the dams are also built across the river to produce hydroelectricity. You can see in the picture in three Georges dams on the youngest river, China. Now we feel this. Now read the paragraph. Alternative sources of energy. Beside the fact that we have limited amount of the fuel on the earth, fuel also use pollution when burned. Scientists are therefore developing other sources of energy where these problems will not arise: atomic energy, solar energy, and energy of wind, and the energy of flowing water are expected to be used more and more in future. Now, as we know that all the fuel on the earth are limited, and when we burn that, we come to know that all the atmosphere to get the polluted. All of these all these fuel are like cause of pollution. So reduce this pollution, scientists are developing the another sources of energy. So problem of the pollution not will be same. Now another sources of energy were atomic energy, solar energy, and the energy of the wind, and the energy of flowing water are expected to be used more and more in future. Now we will discuss did you know? Now did you know? You can see in the picture an old lady working with the spinning wheel, and this is the spinning jenny. Did you know? In 1764, James Hargreaves invented the spinning jenny, a machine that is possible to spin more and more than one ball of yarn or thread at a time. It had 8 spindles instead of the 1 spindles found on ordinary spinning wheel. The spinning jenny spun fiber like cotton and hemp into thread that was then used by weavers to make clothes. Now we will discuss I now know. The early human made tools from the stones, as you know. The second is the first metal to be discovered was copper. Iron discovered later made it possible to make much better tools. The fourth point is the invention of the steam engine made it possible to run big machines and produce better goods in large quantity. Now fifth one is the change from handmade goods to machine made goods in large factories in the 18th century is known as the Industrial Revolution. Now sixth point is coal, petrol and electricity are used to run machine. Now seventh and last, there are limited amount of coal and petroleum on the earth, so the research for alternative sources of energy is on. So now a chapter is explained. I think all of you got the chapter easy. Thank you.